How you doing, everyone? Sean O'Kane here at chipestimate.com booth at DAC 55. We're here in San Francisco, California. Right now we have our first annual pie contest, and that is Raspberry Pi. This is a head-to-head cage match, and these designers are only armed with a stimulus and running on a laptop. So the environment, let me just explain a little bit of what they're doing here. The environment will be completely set up for these contestants. They'll have an SoC system on a chip. They'll have the verification environment for simulation and working a Perspec model that generates a test that executes in simulation. So that's what they're doing. The challenge of the contest is to modify the model test to achieve some new use case with the SoC test. They need to generate a test, compile everything, and then run it. So they have guides so they can help them through this. And the first one that wins will ring the bell. Now, at the end of the day, there will be prizes, ladies and gentlemen. That's right. So they can win a Raspberry Pi, right? And actually, while they're eating a Raspberry Pi, so you can have your pie and eat it too. So that's what we're doing. So, ladies and gentlemen, during this contest, they'll be creating a model, and then from that, testing. And of course, I just want to remind you can get a Pied Piper shirt. The winners will have that, and also after designing with the Raspberry Pi. What do you like about it?
It's the same GUI like the other Cadence tool that we all used to. I think I looked at Perspec like 2 years ago. It's the old-fashioned GUI. Yeah. This one is way better.
Just tell that guy.
This GUI is better.
It's very cool. That's what we want to do.
I'm excited.
Hey, congratulations.
Thank you. I think you're done.
Tim Cochran. Oh, that was tight. Mauricio. Nice. Nicely done. That was. Pied Piper. This is our new, your new startup company.
Cool.
You're going to get a Raspberry Pi and a Pied Piper shirt.
So I think this is going to help us ease the generation stimulus, and at the same time it is going to increase reusability across teams. I think I'm from the CPU team, so I think it's going to play an important role in that.
I hope it was both fun and interesting to see how these things work and how promising PSS is.
We're signing off. Thanks. We'll join us next time on our next Raspberry Pi Design Off.